Hey beautiful, happy new year. It's a new year, new month, and that means I received my monthly Stitch Fix box and I was so excited to get it. I cannot wait to open it, and I thought I would do another unboxing video to show you guys what I got in my Stitch Fix box for the month of January. Now, if you are unfamiliar with what Stitch Fix is a personal stylist shopping subscription where you take a style survey and you have a personal shopper that handpicks items and sends them to you based on your style profile. I have already done a video that gives you more detail with how Stitch Fix works. I will link that in the description if you want a reference to that to see a little bit more of the ins and outs of Stitch Fix. Basically, you get to pick how frequently you want your stylist to send you items. For me, I get the cutest stuff and I have an absolute blast. I like to have my Stitch Fix sent to me monthly. So every month I get a box full of goodies. I just got this month's box, so I thought let's open them up and see what I got. So the way Stitch Fix works is every time you receive a fix, you are sent 5 items, and I can already tell this fix is not going to disappoint. This first bag I think is shoes. That is typically what I receive when I get bags like this in my fixes. The middle one I can already see some clothes, and then the one on the bottom I think might be a jacket. I'm so excited to try this on. I couldn't wait. I had to open them first. Item number 1 in this month's fix is the shoes, and seriously, how adorable are these boots? I am here for these. So as I went to edit this video, it was then that I realized the rest of me unboxing the shoes didn't finish recording. I didn't really have a lot else that I talked about other than how much I loved these boots. I did, however, read a little bit from the note that I got from my stylist saying that she tried to keep the items as close as possible to my desired price range, but she did say there were a few items that went slightly over budget, and I think the shoes were one of them. They ended up being $70, but again, they're so cute. I am keeping them. Items 2 and 3 are first this knit top, which I am actually super excited to have because I had one from Target previously that ended up getting a hole in it, and I had to get rid of it at the end of last season. So I do plan on keeping this to replace that, but it is a thin cotton knit top, so it is so soft. It is long in the back as well as the front, and it's got the slit here on the side, so it would be a perfect item to pair with some leggings, but again, super soft, super cozy. Now in my previous video, I did not include prices of the item. I am curious to know if that's something that you are interested in, so leave in the comments, let me know if you want to know the prices of the items or if you don't care to know the prices of the items. But this shirt is $58, and because I needed one to replace the one that I previously had from Target, I will definitely plan on keeping this shirt. Now the third item are these olive joggers. I am obsessed with this dark olive green color. It is one of my favorites, but they are joggers, so they cut off at the ankle, super soft, again, cozy. It's got a long pocket detail on the front, pockets on the back, and the price of the jogger is $50. So I was actually surprised to see that the top was more expensive than the pants, but I think they are both super cute, and I plan on keeping both of these items. And for the final 2 items, we have number 4 and 5. So number 4 was, again, just a knit white t-shirt with a pocket on the front. I have several white t-shirts with pockets, without pockets, so I don't plan on keeping this one. It's not something that I currently need in my wardrobe, but this jacket is everything. It's got 2 different zippers. So let me get up close to show you guys. So you've got like this inside here, it's connected, so it looks like you're wearing like 2 jackets. The hood, so it is like this fabric detail. Look at how adorable that is on the hood. Continues down to the front, but again, it's connected. And then the front of the jacket has this detailing. It is a faux leather, so it is not real leather. It is a faux leather But again, it's got 2 zippers. So let me show you guys how stinking cute this is. So you've got the first zipper, so you could wear it like that, and then a zipper, as well as buttons on the leather part as well. I think this is absolutely adorable. I have a leather jacket already, but again, I don't think it's this nice of quality. The sleeves kind of come out a little bit, but it's got some fabric here on the sleeves, so it's got like a dual kind of look on the sleeves. Yeah, so I think this is going to replace the leather jacket that I have. It's got buttons on the pockets, but I love that it's got these 2 here, so you could zip them both up, zip neither of them up, and it's got like this dual look. I'm so excited for this jacket. Now the price of the t-shirt is $32 and the price of the jacket is $82, but again, I think it is well worth it. I am super stoked and happy with this fix. I cannot wait for next month's fix already. If you want to try Stitch Fix and you haven't before, I will have a link in the description of this video. Stitch Fix does charge a styling fee to create a box of these items for you. What's really cool is the styling fee that you pay for them to send you the box gets applied to any of the items that you end up keeping. So as long as you keep an item, you are not out that money for them to send you your very first box. Now, if you've never tried Stitch Fix before and you would like to, I will put a link in the description of this video, which will give you a $25 credit, which means your very first fix won't cost you anything. You'll just pay for the items that you end up falling in love with and want to keep. Again, if you want to see more details on Stitch Fix, refer back to my first video. I give you a little bit more ins and outs on how everything works. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell so you can be notified and see all of the future fashion and Stitch Fix try-on hauls, as well as makeup and lifestyle tutorial videos. Thanks again for watching.